So hello students, let's see the question, and the question says that the equation of curve satisfying the differential equation y2 x square plus 1 is equal to 2x y1 passing through the point 0 1 and having slope of tangent at x is equal to 0 as equation of curve. So first you have option y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Second, x square y square is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1. Y is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 1, and none of these. Okay, so you have to find correct option. So let's solve the question. So key concept for this question is, whenever we convert any differential equation, ठीक है, to a normal equation, when we convert differential equation to normal equation, then we have to integrate that equation. हमें क्या करना होता है, integrate that equation. तो basically हमें differential equation को integrate करना है, then हमें क्या मिलेगा, equation of a curve मिलेगा. Okay, so now we have a equation that is y2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 2x y1. So here y2 means dy by d square y by dx square, and y1 is dy by dx. Okay, so now here let's dy by dx is equal to t, then d square y upon dx square will be dt upon dx. Okay, now put these value into the equation number first. Then we will have dt upon dx x square plus 1 is equal to 2xt. Now like term को एक तरफ ले आओ, like term को. So we have dt upon t is equal to 2x upon x square plus 1, okay, and dx, and integrate this equation. So after integration we will have log t is equal to कितना हो जाएगा ये हमारे पास, that will be log. After integrate this function, you have to suppose let x square plus 1 is equal to a, then our answer will be x log x square plus 1 plus c. Okay, now separate log term, log वाली term को एक तरफ separate करो. x square plus 1 is equal to c. Log a minus log b will be log t upon x square plus 1 is equal to c. So implies that we have t upon x square plus 1 is equal to e to the power c. Log कहाँ चला गया आपका, right hand side चला गया. Okay, then we have a equation t upon x square plus 1 is equal to e to the power c. Okay, now अब क्या करेंगे, हम इसको t की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So हमारे पास t की वैल्यू क्या थी, so we have here dy by dx 1 upon x square plus 1 is equal to e to the power c. Okay, now here we have x is equal to 0 पे y dash की वैल्यू कितनी देर की है, y1 की वैल्यू कितनी देर की है हमारे पास, that is 3. तो हमें किसकी वैल्यू निकालनी, e to the power c की वैल्यू निकालनी है. then we have 3. ओके, ये कितना हो जाएगा 3, और यहाँ पे 0 रखेंगे तो 1 upon 1 1, so that will be e to the power c की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, 3 आ गई. तो किस इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे, हम इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड में e to the power c की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. देन dy by dx 1 upon x square plus 1 is equal to 3. now सेपरेट dy by dy और dx के फंक्शन क्या करेंगे, सेपरेट एंड इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे उनको. x square plus 1, so here 3 dx. then we have here y is equal to कितना हो जाएगा हमारे पास आफ्टर इंटीग्रेशन, we will have 3 into x cube upon 3 plus 3x. 3 cancelled by 3, so we have equation, and plus c, क्योंकि इंटीग्रेशन में हमारे पास हमेशा एक कांस्टेंट आता है, is equal to x cube plus 3x plus c. Now here this equation of a line passing through to the point that is किससे पास हो रही है हमारे पास 0 and 1 से. So here 0 and 1 से पास हो रही है. Now put the value of x and y, then we have here c is equal to 1 क्योंकि x की वैल्यू 0 है और y की वैल्यू 1 है तो c की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 1. Then at the last we have our equation y is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so that will be our equation. Okay, so check that which option is correct. So we have y is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 1. So that our option number C will be correct. Okay, so I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.